पिक्चर अभी बाकी है मेरे दोस्त।
Are you ready for this week's challenge? Guys, welcome back to the 10K challenge. So I know there has been a gap of a couple of months, but back now, back in action. This week's challenge or this month's challenge is a simple presentation of something that we do on a regular basis in your own styles. And the topic is to promote Apple, the company Apple, in the most cringiest way possible. Because cringe is the new cool. Okay? It has to be a 1-minute presentation, each one of you individually. There is only one rule, that the presentation can be anything. You want to sing, you want to talk, you want to give a PPT, you want to do rap, you want to show with your photography skills, shot on iPhone. You can do anything that you want to do. So as you say, bitches and darlings, let's get to our best presentation. See you all on Friday, where we all come up with some great ideas to promote Apple in the cringiest way possible.
Okay, let's go. What are you gonna do if you win this challenge? Speechless because ये नहीं जीतने वाला है. He knows that.
Martin has been eyeing it since challenge 1 and he's not been able to crack even a single one. Martin, how does it feel to lose every time, bro?
हार के जीतने वाले को बाजीगर कहते हैं।
ठीक है, we'll wait for our बाजीगर now.
What are you doing?
वर्किंग ऑन माई प्रेजेंटेशन.
Okay.
जो मुझे प्रेजेंट करना है वो तो प्रिपेयर्ड है, बट हम प्रिपेयर्ड नहीं है प्रेजेंट करने के लिए.
Okay.
आई एम प्रिपेयर्ड सिंस मॉर्निंग.
Okay.
हाँ.
Because an apple a day keeps the doctor. क्योंकि बाकी सारे फोन्स गरम हैं, ये आईफोन नरम है.
Green Hornet, colorful.
So when Apple says think different, I don't think, I swallow.
Think same, but different. No money, no honey.
If you lose something, don't worry. Just buy one more product.
Out of 8 people who presented, we'll have 6 moving to the next round. Public demand pe, who was your hot pick? Okay, Shweta, you go to round 2. Prashant goes to round 2 as well. Madi, you go to round 2. Suryanshi, you go to round 2 as well. Rosie, you go to the next round. And you also go to the next round.
Everyone.
टीम हॉटल.
Team hotel, guys, come on. Listen, the boys should not win. I'm telling you, we'll divide the money between we three.
I will call out head, nose, shoulder, cup. Not in this sequence. Shoulder, nose, shoulder, table. Head, cups. Head, shoulder. Round 2 winner is Prashant again. Prashant, you go to round 3. Shweta, you're out. Unfortunately. क्या रे बल्लू, क्या तेज बनेगा रे तू?
मैंने इतनी पीपीटी थी, मुझे लगा मैं जीत जाऊंगी.
Head, shoulder, nose. Shri, where's your nose? Okay. Nose, shoulder.
I lost it.
Shri, you go to round 3. Shoulder, nose, head, shoulder, shoulder, nose, cup. Shri has won once. Rose has won once, but unfortunately you're out today. Martin, you have to win today. You have to beat 2-time champions now.
I'll try that.
Yeah, come on, let's go out for round 3. Rules are very simple. On the laptop screen, there will be a puzzle that will pop up. You have to just guess what that word is. Whoever guesses the most wins 10K. Word number 1. What do you think is this word? No kidding.
I got it.
Sophie's choice.
Nope.
Because
Nope.
multiple choice.
Oh!
Round one.
Red lady.
No.
First lady.
Made in China.
No. Correct.
Keynote speaker. Snowman. Snowman.
Correct.
Utensils.
Yes.
No escape.
Correct.
Oh shit.
4-all.
Psychological.
Keep going with the
Psychology. Reverse psychology.
Correct.
Oh, good job.
I'm just dumb like that.
Fingers crossed.
Good job.
That brings us to the end of it.
Thank you
So
guys.
we've got a winner.
Good. Finally.
How does it feel? Winning it finally.
I will stand up on my seat and say, Sucker!
Finally, we have.
Thank you
a
guys,
winner.
thank you.
After 3
Round.
strong episodes,
Yes.
we finally have Martin as the winner. Public favorite.
Thank you. Thank you, thank you.
Marty, and
Thank you.
what are you gonna do about your 10K?
Charity to myself. मैं गरीब घर का I'm not sure but I'm happy that I've won. Thank you guys.
See you all. Stay tuned.